All right, so this is our one arm bent over cable fly. This is a great exercise to target the rear delt, okay? So I have the pulley or the attachment all the way down to the bottom of the cable machine. I have an underhand grip. I'm using my left hand. I'm going to step away from the cable machine. That way we can get some resistance here. Bend over. I can place my hand of my non-working hand on my hip, and all I'm going to do is just execute that fly. And as you can see, the cable is going across my body here. Let me turn around for you. Now I'm using my right hand. Remember, underhand grip, and place my hand on my hip. And that's it.